Having worked in sales for a decade and having coached so many salespeople in businesses, I know that one of the most important skills that salespeople need is to develop the ability to ask great questions. The best salesperson is the one who asks the best questions. Hey there, I'm Tabish Bibikar and I coach and mentor founders of software companies to build scale in their business fast. In this video, I'm going to share with you some killer questions you could practice and keep with you at all times to use during your sales cycle. Most sales get started with pre-qualifying prospects for fitment. It's great to ensure you're in the driving seat at all times and navigating the discussion. At this early stage, you will of course ask questions about their exact requirements, urgency, budgets, stakeholders, etc. But as soon as you've completed that part, ask the question, what motivated you to consider us for your requirement? This is a great question to get you to understand what their thought process is. It's human nature to respond honestly. So it's likely that the person is going to tell you how they found you and what exactly made them reach out to you. It also helps re-emphasize some good credibility about you. The next phase, of course, for you could be further qualification, and it's important not just to ask them about the problems that they're facing and how they would like that solved. But it's super important to dig deeper and find out about the real impact that those problems are having now. Remember, the sale will only close if that impact is large. If the impact is small, they'll find reasons to delay or even put off the buying decision. So a question to politely dig further on this is to ask, what effect is this having on you currently? This question could get them opening about what the exact criticality of the situation could be. After you've done your qualification and have been able to make an offer of the solution that you propose for them, it's important to temp check or temperature check. A great question to temp check is to use something like this. What do you think of what we have discussed so far? Or you could even ask, how does this fit with what you had in mind? This is a great way for you to get aligned with what the customer is thinking. In case there is any expectation mismatch, it will be out in the open and you will have another opportunity to course correct. Now, when you know it's time to close and ask for a purchase, it's important to check if the customer feels the same way too and is indeed ready to take the next step forwards towards closure. So softly land another question to gently nudge the prospect further. Use the question, what would you like to do next? Or what do you think would be the next right step for us from here? I hope you do incorporate these questions in your next sales conversation. Do work with your coach on more such strategies to improve your sales conversions. If you've liked this video, please do not forget to like and share it. Do also subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more such videos sharing tips on scaling up. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.